Welcome to Tutorial 1, Getting Started. In this tutorial, we'll give an overview of the application, learning about its interface, features, and functions. The application is web-based and will run on desktop and tablet devices with an internet browser. Just type in the URL appearing now to access the application. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the desktop version of the application. You'll first see the home page, which shows further information about the application and prompts you to read the terms and conditions. To continue, accept the conditions by checking the acknowledgement box. From there, you can select Get Started. At the top right corner of the interface is a login or sign up button, allowing you to log in through a range of account options. Logging in allows you to save and share maps and data, and we recommend doing this at the commencement of your session. The left side of the interface contains the menu panel. Topics displays groups of related data to add to the map. This is a quick and easy way to launch a map with the data layers of your chosen theme. Search allows you to locate a variety of features within specific map layers. Layers has a lot of functionality and gives the most control over the information appearing on the map. You can add or remove layers and make layers visible or invisible. You can also add your own data or data hosted as web map services. Places is a home for any temporary features you add to the map. This includes selections from existing map layers or objects you create using the inbuilt drawing tools. There are a variety of uses for places, ranging from highlighting areas of interest to performing spatial queries. When logged in, Maps allows you to save and share your map with or without the features stored in Places for future use or sharing with another user. You can also save your places and currently open data layers and share these with another user. Results displays a table of information from a query you perform on the data. For example, using the Identify tool. Various actions can be performed, such as selecting records, buffering, zooming, and intersecting. Results can also be switched to a side panel view. The Print button opens a new browser window and presents a number of printing templates, allowing you to customize the legend, choose a range of resolutions, add a graticule, set a scale, and add a name. Maps can be exported as PDF or PNG files. To zoom in or zoom out, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Alternatively, you can use the zoom in or zoom out buttons on the lower right of screen. To pan around the map, press your left mouse button and move the map where you want it. Use your right mouse button to rotate the map away from its default north-south orientation. To return to its original orientation, press the reset button. If your device has a positioning feature such as a GPS, the current location button will show you where you are located on the map. The map view is set by default to two-dimensional viewing. You can change it to a three-dimensional view by pressing the 3D button at the bottom left of the map. If you now use your right mouse button, the map view can be tilted, revealing the shape of the Earth's surface. To show or hide the legend, click the arrow to the side. The legend is dynamic, meaning it only shows data layers that are currently visible on the map. The Tool button opens out a series of tools. Identify allows you to click on the map at a location of interest and display information about that location. You can choose between different shapes to define your area of interest. Drawing allows you to mark up your map with simple shapes. Whatever you draw is automatically stored in Places and can be further customized for size, color, and labeling. Measurement allows you to measure distances and areas on your map in the units of your choice. If needed, you can adjust your shape or line according to your requirements. To add a coordinate to your map, choose the Coordinate tool and enter the appropriate details. The result will appear in Places. To reset the map to the default scale, click the curved reset arrow. This concludes the Getting Started tutorial. If you would like more detailed information, please check the other tutorials in this series.